Hi guys, so if you're looking for some really good Valentine's Day gifting options for your girlfriend, for your wife, for your best friend, or maybe just for yourself, then this is the perfect video for you, because in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all some beauty hampers which are perfect Valentine's Day gifts. The best part is that they are so well curated and all the products just smell so delicious, and that just makes them perfect for Valentine's Day. Moreover, most of them are priced below rupees 1000, so they are really affordable and easy on the pockets too. So before I share them with you all, I just want to mention that they're all available on Amazon on a really good discount. So if you want to save some money, make sure you grab them from Amazon. I've mentioned all the purchase links in the description box below. You can check that out. And yeah, with all that being said, let's quickly dive into today's video. The first gift hamper that I want to talk about is this Plum Vanilla Caramello gift hamper. Now this contains a set of 3 products. The first one is a body wash, the second one is a hand cream, and the third one is a scented candle. And all of them smell so delicious. They have this blend of vanilla and caramel which just smells so divine, so beautiful. You literally feel like you're in some kind of a cafe and some kind of a bakery, and whenever you use these products, it's gonna make you smell like a cupcake. They smell so delicious, so good. And even if you don't use the products on a daily basis, you can still light the candle and make the entire surrounding smell like a bakery. So it smells really divine. This is one of my most favorite ranges by Plum, and this is also priced very affordably. So if you want to smell nice, or if you want your loved one to smell nice, just gift them this hamper and they're gonna absolutely love it. Love the combination of vanilla and caramel in one product. I think it's the most divine combination. I've seen so many vanilla based products, but none with the blend of vanilla and caramel all in one. So I highly recommend this set. This is my most favorite one out of all the gift hampers that I'm about to share with you all. So make sure you try this out if you haven't already. The second hamper that I want to share with you all is this Mcaffeine Coffee Gift Set. Now this consists of 4 products for your body. The first one is a body wash, the second one is a body scrub, the third one is a body butter, and the fourth one is a body shimmering spray. What I really love from this range is the body scrub. It contains these coffee granules which are mixed with coconut, and it's got a very rich texture to it, and when you apply it on your body, it just scrubs away all the dead skin in one single go without really damaging your skin, without feeling harsh at all. It's gentle, but it scrubs all the dead skin away. And when you're like scrubbing your skin with it in the shower, you'll actually feel like you have coffee right there in the shower. It smells so strong of coffee, and it's instantly going to make you feel all refreshed and all awake. And I really love how smooth and soft my skin becomes after using the scrub. I think it's the most amazing body scrub that I've ever used. Talking about the body butter, it's again got a very rich creamy consistency, and it feels so nourishing and so moisturizing on the skin. It's going to take away all the dryness and make your skin feel so smooth and soft. And the body shimmering spray is going to give you a really nice glow, a really nice shimmer that you can maybe wear all over your body on your Valentine's night date. So it's going to look really stunning. It's going to make you look so glamorous and so good. So this again is a really good gifting set. If your loved one is a fan of coffee, they're really gonna enjoy this. So if they like coffee, definitely try this out. The third hamper that I want to talk about is this Kimirica Valentine's gift set. Now this is specially curated for Valentine's Day only, and this consists of 6 products. So the first one is a body wash, second is a body butter, the third one is a bubble bath which you can use in the bathtub, the fourth one is a bath salt which you can either use in your bucket or in the bathtub, the fifth one is a soap, and the sixth one is a hand cream. So again, this range smells absolutely divine. I own the hand cream from this range, and oh my god, it smells so good. It's got this very seductive like fragrance which I really love, which I think it's perfect for Valentine's Day. So if you want to gift somebody something that feels luxurious, something that feels a little bit more than ordinary, something that looks extraordinary, then this is the perfect gift set that you can gift. Moreover, it's specially curated for Valentine's Day, and the fragrance of all the products is really divine. So you can maybe use it for your Valentine's night, or you can also gift this for Valentine's Day, and whoever that gets this hamper is really gonna love it. So if you want to give something extraordinary, then this is the one that you can go for. The fourth hamper that I have is this Bryan and Candy Rose Tub. Now this this comes in a lot of different variants, but the rose variant is something that I really love, and I think it's most apt for Valentine's Day. Now this contains 4 products. The first one is a body wash, the second one is a face wash, which are both decent products. The third product is the body butter, which is like really luxurious. It's very creamy and very nourishing. And the fourth product is the star of the show. This is the sugar body scrub, and this actually feels like a body polish. It's got this very thick gel texture which glides smoothly, which scrubs away all the dead skin while hydrating your skin, and it actually feels like you're using some very luxurious expensive product when you're using this sugar body scrub. It's so good. So if you haven't tried this particular product already, and if it interests you, definitely get your hands on it. Even if you don't like buy the entire set, just buy this one product and you're really gonna love it. It's so good. It's hands down the best body polish that I've ever used. It's so good. And it also comes along with a loofah, which you can use along with the body wash. So this contains an entire set of all bath and body products, and it comes in this tub, so you can like store all the products in there in your shower. So it again acts as a really good hamper, and this comes in a lot of variants. It's got green tea, it's got strawberry, mango, rose, I don't know how many variants. So you can definitely try like whatever fragrance that your girl likes the most, or you can stick to rose, which is a very universally preferred fragrance. The fifth hamper that I have is again by Plum. This is their Plum vanilla gift set. Now this contains of 3 products. The first one is a body wash, the second one is a body oil, and the third one is a body mist. Now all these products smell exactly like vanilla, and very honestly a lot of brands do vanilla fragrances, but Plum ka jo vanilla fragrance hai, I think it's the most authentic vanilla fragrance, I would call it. It's the most luxe smelling vanilla fragrance. And moreover, even if you don't try the body wash and the body mist, iska body oil you have to try. It is so nourishing, so moisturizing. It smells exactly like vanilla, but it does not leave that greasy finish that most oils do. Whenever you apply a body oil, it leaves your skin feeling so sticky and greasy, but Plum ka jo body oil hai, it absorbs so fast into your skin. It's so lightweight. Even after being an oil, it's so lightweight and it absorbs super fast, and it does not leave any sticky or greasy residue at all on your skin. So once you apply it, after like 10-15 minutes, it's completely seeped into your skin. So it's that good. Love the consistency, love the fragrance, and I literally use it as my body oil, as my massage oil. Vanilla is something that's so universal and everyone loves it. So if not this, you can also try the vanilla caramello, but if you're skeptical about it, just stick to vanilla and you will be sorted. Next hamper that I have is by Renee. This is their bath and body care set, and this consists of a body wash, body scrub, body lotion, hand cream, and a perfume. So it's got 5 products in there, and the perfume is like really tiny. It's a travel size one that you can easily fit in your pocket and in your sling bag, so it's really easy to carry. And moreover, ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा affordable भी है, so you can definitely like get this set if you want to gift her like an entire body set. Then this is again a really good option. Those were all of my favorite Valentine's Day gift hampers that you can gift to your loved ones, and they're absolutely gonna love them. They all smell so delicious, and for me they act like Pamper hampers because they contain all of these deliciously smelling products that are going to make you feel so nice and so pampered. And they have all of these extra products like hand creams and all of that. I mean, you can also apply a body lotion on your hands, right? Why do you need a hand cream? But it's an extra product that acts as a pamper product. So these are all Pamper hampers, I would like to call them, and trust me, whoever that you gift them to are going to feel really pampered when they receive it. Even if you don't want to gift it to someone, you can just buy it for yourself and pamper yourself, because why not, right? So yeah, that was all that I wanted to share with you all. And if you want to purchase any of them, make sure you get them from Amazon, from the links in the description box below. And if you happen to try any of these, if you gift them to your girl, if you try them out for yourself, do let me know your experience in the comment section. Or if you have any such hampers that you are eyeing out, then also comment down below. I would love to know about more such products. So yeah, if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. You can subscribe to my channel, you can follow me on Instagram, and yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I will see you super soon. Bye.